Welcome to Bollywood Gallery. We are introducing Hollywood actor Matt Damon's family. Matthew Page Damon is an American actor, producer and screenwriter. He was born on 8 October 1970 in Cambridge, Massachusetts, US. His father, Kent Telford Damon, was a stockbroker. His father had English and Scottish ancestry. His mother, Nancy Carlson Page, an early childhood education professor at Lesley University. His parents divorced when he was 2 years old. His brother Kyle is a sculptor and artist. Actress Sarah Bradford is his stepsister. Damon met his Argentine wife Luciana Bohan Barroso while filming Stuck on You in Miami in April 2003. They became engaged in September 2005 and married in a private civil ceremony at the Manhattan Marriage Bureau on 9th December 2005. The couple have 3 daughters, Isabella Damon, Gia Zavala Damon, and Stella Damon. He also has a stepdaughter, Alexia Barroso, from Barroso's previous marriage and considers her to be his own. Damon began his acting career by appearing in high school theatre productions. He made his professional acting debut in the film Mystic Pizza in 1988. He came into prominence in 1997 when he and Ben Affleck wrote and starred in Good Will Hunting, which won them an Academy Award and Golden Globe Awards for Best Screenplay. He continued to garner praise from critics for his roles as the title character in Saving Private Ryan, the anti-hero in The Talented Mr. Ripley, a fallen angel in Dogma, an energy analyst in Syriana, a corrupt Irish-American policeman in The Departed, and race car driver Carroll Shelby in Ford vs. Ferrari. Damon is also known for his starring roles as Jason Bourne in the Bourne franchise from 2002 to 2016, as a con man in the Ocean's trilogy from 2001 to 2007. He had a supporting role as rugby player Francis Pienaar in Invictus and won a Golden Globe Award for Best Actor for his leading role as an astronaut stranded on Mars in The Martian. Damon portrayed Scott Thorson in the biopic Behind the Candelabra and produced the reality series Project Greenlight from 2001 to 2015, as well as the film Manchester by the Sea. Damon also performed voiceover work in both animated and documentary films and has established 2 production companies with Affleck. He has been involved in charitable work with organizations including the One Campaign, H2O Africa Foundation, Feeding America, and Water.org. Aside from awards he has garnered for his role as actor and producer, Damon became the 2,343rd person to receive a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame on July 25, 2007. He reacted to the award by stating, "A few times in my life, I have had these experiences that are just kind of too big to process, and this looks like it's going to be one of those times." Ranked among Forbes' most bankable stars, the films in which he has appeared have collectively earned over $3.2 billion at the North American box office, making him one of the highest grossing actors of all time.